nandito po ako ngayon sa Riyadh Boulevard City. Nag-tour po ako or iniikot ko po yung Riyadh Boulevard City to find out kung ano po ba yung makikita natin dun sa kanila. So, so far, napakaganda po. Kasi malawak po yung lugar. Saka, may tinatawag silang 8 zone. Pero hindi ko po masabi kung what are this zone, you know? So, basta tingnan nyo na lang po dun sa video ko kung ano yung mga zone na yun. Kasi hindi ko ma-identify what are those zone. Okay? So, I hope you will enjoy watching my YouTube. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the bell button so that you will be notified for my upcoming videos. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Itong nakikita natin dito ngayon, ito yung pinaka main entrance ng buong Riyadh Boulevard City. So, makikita nyo, kumbaga ito yung tinatawag nilang New York or Times Square of Saudi Arabia. So, this is what they called near Times Square of Saudi Arabia. Napakaganda. So nice, you know. Sa pagpasok mo pa lang dito sa main entrance, parang nasa ibang dimension ka na ng mundo. Kasi napakaganda talaga siya. You can't believe that the Riyadh has a something like this, you know. The Riyadh now is obviously coming to open, you know. Ang dami na nilang mga tourism spots like this. Winter Wonderland, Riyadh Boulevard City. Kakaiba, maganda yung plano nila. So nice. I love Saudi. Yung una, yung pinasok natin ay yung kumbaga the main entrance, at itong part din naman ito yung second level of your entrance, which is napaligiran po ito ng mga stores, iba't ibang klaseng store like mga damit, mga coffee shop, ayan, mga snacks bar. So marami silang options, maraming mapagpipilian habang papasok ka pa lang, ha. This is second level of entrance. You are about to enter the main event, kumbaga. So nandito pa lang tayo sa entrance, napakaganda na. At this point, nakikita nyo, we are about to enter the center of the Boulevard City. Kung nakikita nyo yung map, ito po yung nasa circle. This is a circle part, which is, I could say, the main point of Riyadh Boulevard City. Please watch this. You will be amazed inside on this circle because pinapalibutan po siya ng classy or many restaurants, coffee shops, stalls for fashions, designs, and etc. So as I said, this has been surrounded by different restaurants, coffee shops, snacks bar, anything, you know, you can find it from here at this point. This Riyadh Boulevard city has a lot of fountains. So I could say this is one of the highlights of fountains kasi this is what we called dancing fountains. So sumasayaw siya na aayon sa music. Unfortunately, tinanggal ko po yung music because I might be get a problem with the copyright issues of the music. I'm sorry na pinalitan ko po siya for this. So enjoy watching the dancing fountain. Let me inform you that within this circle, within this spot, mayroon po siyang mga tagusan or way going to another zone. Okay? Uulitin ko, at this point, the center of this dancing fountain, there are outlet or way going to another zone. Okay? So, dito ka kumbaga mag-starting point going to another zone. Speaking of dancing fountain, sobrang mai-enjoy mo talaga siya kasi kakaiba din yung dating niya, you know? If you can see this one in person, you will be amazed for sure because nagbibigay po nga po siya ng good vibes, you know, happiness. Napakaganda talaga tingnan in reality. You can really feel the ambience, the smell, and you know, a lot of people around this area kasi nga starting point siya, so many people around there here. Mga kaka, this is just the part 1 of my video. Please watch the next video to enjoy the whole Riyadh Boulevard city. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.